Alright guys, so I am done with the cornbread and I'm about to pour in my pan. This is my cornbread for my dressing. Guys, this is my cornbread. It turned out perfect. I think I got enough for my dressing as well as the pinto beans and the greens. But y'all know I gotta test it. I got to try a little corner. Alright guys, my chicken is done for the dressing. My chicken thighs. And I got my good old chicken broth with all those seasonings and onions and pepper. Man, this is about to be so good. Alright guys, so I'm done mixing my sweet potatoes. I'm done mixing those. About to put them in the oven. Then I'm gonna get my chicken out and get that together. Alright, that's the first one. I don't want them too full. Two of my pies is done. I got my ham hocks cooking. Dressing is ready to go in the oven. Pudding is ready. I just gotta get my bananas tomorrow. More pies, the ham in the oven. Alright guys, we're gonna start this over. Do y'all see my dressing? Do y'all see that dressing? When I tell you it's full of chicken and seasonings, do you see the seasonings? Do y'all see it? Them pies done, dressing done. Do y'all see this ham? Do you see the ham? Honey, do you see the glaze? That ain't nothing but coconut water, pineapple juice, and some brown sugar. That's all this is. Look at that. Look y'all, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see that? Alright guys, I am about to do this cake. Cut these up. Alright guys, so I've taken the cake out of here. I am about to cut it. Cut it in half. Okay. Still warm. Look at that inside. Put that over there. and that back in there. All right, so got that like I wanted it. Give me 1 second. Milk and condensed milk mix. Hold on. All right, guys, I'm about to put this layer in. 1 jar. I don't know if I'm gonna need the whole jar, but 1 jar. I'm gonna try to spread. All right, just a few. Keep our pieces in the middle. With some nuts. Alright, I'm just going to put the top back on. Put more pieces on the top. Melted some, that's okay. Put it a little moist instead of round, you know, so it can soak into the cake and the marshmallow fluff. That's gonna soak into the bottom. cook in between with marshmallows and a tap of pecans and Heath bar pieces, but mainly the top is the, listen. So I got everything ready. I'm gonna put these at the bottom, pecan sandies. These are going at the bottom. All right, guys. Maybe that'll be for us to eat tonight. But yeah, that is so pretty. So yeah, it's windy outside, guys. Y'all got to look over that wind. But yeah, that is the banana pudding. It looks so good. It turned out perfect. Yeah, it's not cold. And cookies on top. So cute. Cute little banana pudding. My little Santa. Little bitty cute little thing from Dollar Tree. And my little Santa Claus full of my tea. Alright guys, these are the pinto beans. They are ready to go. I just got to do my lamb chops and my deviled eggs tomorrow. And that'll be first thing in the morning. And we'll be done with Thanksgiving dinner.